Hello everyone, and today we are solving the question number 2443, the sum of the number and its reverse. So, the question says that given a non negative integer num, return true if num can be expressed as the sum of any non negative integer and its reverse, or false otherwise. So, what we are seeing here is will be given integer that is num, and we have to find that if it is a number that can be returned as a sum of a number and its reverse. As we can see in the example 1, if the number is 443, it can be expressed as the sum of 172 and its reverse number 271. So in that case we'll return true. If we see the example number 2, that is 63, it cannot be expressed as the sum of any non-negative integer and its reverse, so we return false. So that's all. That's what the question wants to say. So what we can do here is, first we will take a number, initialize it with 0, and we'll check all the cases until the number check the cases until the number. So, and what we are going to do is that first we'll take a number and we'll add it with its reverse, and then check if it is equal to the number that is given. So how can we do that? That is, first of all we'll take a function right before the boolean function. So we'll take a function that is integer reverse. Okay, and we'll have the parameter. It will also be an integer, so we'll write integer and let's give it a name that is x. Now here what we'll do that we'll pass the value of x as a parameter here, and we'll reverse its value and return its reverse value of x. So we'll write the logic here that first we'll initialize variable which will store the reverse value, and we'll initialize it with 0. Now we'll write a loop which will write x is greater than 0, and then what we'll do is reverse is equal to reverse to 10 and add it with x equal to 10 and then x y equal to. So what this two thing will do, the first line will do that it will store the last digit of the given number, that is x, and then this line, that is x divided equal to 10, will remove the last digit, and then the value of x is updated, and the new value would be the number in which the last digit would be not there, and then we'll proceed further. And so how it will return the reverse value, and then after the while loop completes we'll return reverse the so yes, this is the So now we'll check each cases till we reach the number itself. So we'll write a for loop, that is int I, no, we'll write x, as we are checking from the number x, and we'll pass the value, each value of x here, and it will return reverse. So we'll start the value of x with 0, x will be less than equal to the number itself, num, and I plus, as we have to check each iteration. Now we'll write the condition to check the main thing, that if the number and its reverse will equal to the number, will return true. So if x plus the reverse of x, that reverse num of, and the same number x, so that it will go in the function reverse num and it will return the reverse, is equal to the number. If this condition gets right, we will return true. If all the iteration is been passed, and if it doesn't returns true, then at last we'll return false, as this number doesn't have any pair that in which the number and its reverse represents the number. So that would be the code. We'll see that if it passes all test cases. So there is an error. Oh, so we'll change it to x, and there is typing mistake also. Now it should run. Yeah, so it passes all the test cases, and we'll submit the question. And yeah, that's all for this question. Thank you.